my name is Alessandra and I'm here with Punky Hair Color, here to show you something very special. We just got in these amazing hair color sprays. This is the Punky Be Wild Temporary Hair Color in collaboration with Trolls World Tour, the movie. So exciting, and this color is pink and poppy. And I'm gonna show you how to use this today. All right guys, so the first step, we wanna make sure that you shake the can really well. I'm just gonna shake it. Perfect, and then you're gonna wanna make sure to spray about 12 inches from the hair. So I'm gonna take a chunk of hair right here. Let's start in the middle. All right, so we have our chunk of hair right here, and I'm gonna be spraying it about 12 inches away. The more you spray, the more hair color will deposit. All right guys, as you can see, this is the final look right here. It is a perfect pink wash, and we are able to achieve that with the Punky spray right over here. Love this stuff. It comes off in one wash, which is super amazing. So I can go out, rock with the Trolls, and then wash this off later tonight. Thank you so much for watching, guys.